Today, we are going to be making lemon squares. Let's go! The ingredients you'll be using are 2 cups of butter, half a cup of sugar, 2 1/4 cups of flour, 4 eggs, and 2 lemons juiced. Start by adding in your 2 cups of butter into your bowl. Then add in your 2 cups of flour and your half a cup of sugar. Mix. Then knead the mixture into a dough and flatten it out on the bottom of your pan like this. Then put the crust in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Now that the crust is baking in the oven, we can start to work on the filling. For the filling, add in your 1 1/2 cups of sugar and your half a cup of flour. Add in your 4 eggs and your 1 lemon juiced. Mix. After, take the crust out of the oven and pour your lemon mixture on top like this. Then put your lemon squares back in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, cut them into squares like this. You're done! Enjoy!